Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Vitalik Buterin, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that can FTX tank the market this week again, and why I'm saying this. I'm going to talk about it in a second. Then the second news is all about that India is working on a 5-point crypto legislation as ban is ruled out. And the third news is all about that Vitalik Buterin Twitter account was hijacked and the hackers steal over $690,000. So all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain content. So if you do not want to miss a single thing, you would like to stay up to date, very simple, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. And also, if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating every single day, you're getting short videos every day, plus this longer videos, so a couple of videos to keep you up to date, then simply hit the like button. So let's do it. Okay, and for the start, let's have a look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually 0.5% down in the last 24 hours, Ethereum a bit more than 2% down. Then we have the top gainer, no top gainer, we shouldn't talk about this, in top 100. And top losers, Arbitrum 8% down, ApeCoin 7%, Conflux 7%, and many other altcoins are going down as well. When we're looking at here, the Bitcoin candlestick chart, we can see that, look at this, the death cross, it's really forming right now, what I have talked about on Friday, if you do remember. So now the 50-day moving average is crossing from the top the 200-day moving average, what we can see here. We just kind of getting there. Will the market dump? Here is now a good question, and there are a couple of news which actually could mean that the market can go down in the close future. Let's talk about these. The first one is all about that can FTX tank the market again? Okay, so the first topic I would like to talk about is about FTX, because maybe, and now let's share the screen, they can tank the market. So FTX has officially filed a motion to convert its significant crypto holdings into fiat. Why? To settle its debt. And a pivotal court hearing regarding to this motion is scheduled for 13th of September. So basically 11th is today, in a couple of days' time. And, FTX crypto assets were valued around 3.4 billion US dollar in April. If given the green light, they might adopt a phased approach to their assets liquidation with a weekly target up to 200 million US dollar. So that could mean that 200 million worth of crypto, it just goes to the market. And okay, FTX creditors with claims amounting over 3 billion US dollar really waiting for this court decision, I believe. And here is what FTX has. Actually, they have Solana, a big chunk, for 650 million US dollar, FTT token $500 million, and BTC, Bitcoin, 268 million US dollar. And one important thing to highlight, that here you can see that a big percentage of its Solana, it remains locked. And this locked amount is set to be fully vested by 2028. So long time. Now the question, now the news are out, we can see the market reaction. So the market is now going down. But when it's actually happening, even that they get the green light, how big effect this will have on the market? Because if you're talking about 3 billion US dollar and we're looking at the total market cap of the crypto market, then we can see it's more than 1 trillion US dollars. So this is actually a tiny little part of it. Will this have actually a big impact, or it was rather the news when it came out and this was the one which tanked the market? This is now the question, what we're going to see pretty soon. definitely wait for the decision on the 13th of September if they will make their final decision then, and then we can follow the story how it continues. Okay, second thing I wanted to talk about is India working on a 5-point crypto legislation as ban is basically ruled out, so not a question anymore. A lot of things are changing, even in India, because previously we have talked about crypto ban and all these kind of things. So now it looks like ban is ruled out, and now they're working on a 5-point crypto legislation. And India is working on a crypto regulatory framework based on the joint recommendations of the International Monetary Fund and the Financial Stability Board. That could result in legal legislation in the next 5-6 months. And India recently concluded the G20 summit on a high with several key economic announcements. However, the most notable decision for the crypto community came in the form of IMF FSB joint recommendations for crypto regulation that India, and here's another important part, the G20 nations welcomed. So here are, about the 5 points framework, setting an advanced KYC for crypto companies, which converts the Foreign Account Tax Compliance Act and existing anti-money laundering standards. Second, crypto platforms would be required to release proof of reserve audits on real-time basis to regulators. An uniform taxation policy across the nations. Crypto exchange could gain the similar status of authorized dealers, similar to banks, under the guidelines of the Reserve Bank of India, and key positions may be mandatory, such as money laundering reporting officer for crypto platforms. And yeah, here is all about that regulation is pretty much now inevitable. So the ecosystem, the crypto, has grown quite well without the regulations. So the question, how it will continue with the regulations when everything it's all clear about crypto. Because, if ban is ruled out, that's very, very important. And now everybody is going towards, how to regulate, and how to regulate it, basically how to make it work. And that's a totally different approach, what we witnessing in the recent couple of years, and the way we actually going, which can crypto grow for sure. What do you think about this? You can let me know in the comment section. Okay, and the third news is all about that Vitalik Buterin Twitter account was hijacked, and the hacker has stolen $690,000. Well, we should be very careful when we, following Twitter accounts, because even if it looks like that person has put out something which could be interesting, we should be suspicious. Why? First of all, here is now an example. Vitalik Buterin's Twitter account was hijacked and hackers steal over $690,000. So what happened? Basically, a fake link promising an exclusive NFT was posted on Vitalik's Twitter site. And this malicious link promoted victims to connect their wallets to mint the NFT. And of course, at the end of the day, it was the hacker who actually stole the money, because he was the one who put that link on Vitalik's account. So we should be always very, very careful with something coming out. Do not FOMO. I would rather look around. If you really invest quite big money, then check it. Look around, because even in this case, somewhere here in the article, that crypto Twitter users were quickly raised alarm about the fake link. But the first apparent acknowledgement that Buterin was hacked came from his father, actually. So actually, when something happening on Twitter, if it's fake, probably pretty soon something coming out. So, just chill and wait, because you never know. You never know now on social media what is real, what is fake, who is hacked, who is not, in this kind of world we're living in right now. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day, you're getting this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain content here on Blockchain Bloom. Very simple. You just subscribe, subscribe bell button all, and then you won't miss a single important thing, what's happening in the crypto world. And also, if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. That's highly appreciated. Also helps the channel, helps the video to spread. And see you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.